Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel without milk. We'll focus on a straightforward process that uses just a few basic items you likely already have in your pantry. This technique is perfect for anyone looking for a dairy-free option or simply wanting to master the art of caramel. Get ready to transform ordinary sugar into a golden, flavorful treat, perfect for various desserts or as a standalone candy. To begin, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. For equipment, a heavy-bottomed saucepan is crucial for even heating. A pastry brush will help prevent sugar crystals from forming on the sides of the pan. Most importantly, a candy thermometer will guide you to the perfect caramel stage, ensuring consistent results every time. First, combine your 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water in the saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once it starts boiling, resist the urge to stir. This prevents crystallization. Continue cooking until the syrup reaches a beautiful, deep amber color, typically around 340 degrees Fahrenheit on your thermometer. As soon as your caramel reaches that perfect amber hue, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat to stop the cooking process. Carefully pour the extremely hot caramel onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Let it cool completely and harden, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Once firm, you can easily break it into delicious pieces. Store your homemade caramel in an airtight container at room temperature for enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.